Hello friends, my name is Sumit Thakur, and after a long time, I am studying MBA, and I had a master in hotel management and catering technology, and I'm revising today the topics of MBA, and the topic here is given is management concepts and applications, planning and decision making. The planning I had written down it is that what you want to do and how you want to do, which one are you going to choose. These are the three main things of the management concept and applications of the planning and decision department. And then this is also a very integral part of the kitchen or any organization. Like when you in the kitchen, if you have to do the planning, or in any restaurant, we will write what you want to do in the restaurant and how the menu. Basically, the menu is a description of the stuff and how you want to do are the job specification and job description, all this stuff, and which one are you going to choose. I don't remember reading it. uh, I think my book is completed. I'm going to be done. Okay. And the next I in my notes there is about a description in the book, like it is better to take a notebook to decrease frustration if you are studying some difficult subjects, difficult topics. And in the MBA, and there is profit and loss account of sole proprietors and name for the counting period ending date. And I'm doing this stuff for the art of public speaking. So the remember that when you are doing MBA, you have to go through these stuffs like called profit and loss accounting. General, I'm going to study in depth all these stuffs. These are not so entertaining, but you have to read it. There are incomes and expenses, net profit or losses. There are operating expenses, rents, utilities, salaries, wages, etc. Their amount describe particular sales of goods and subsidiary revenue. There is a debit side and the credit side. As per the notes I have made, is the debit is in the left and credit is on the right. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is something I have read and I think I remember something. Uh, yeah, accounting is part of the kitchen life and the hotel hospitality industry